Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing something a little bit different, and that is an unboxing of my brand new Apple iMac. I am so excited to finally have this. I've been waiting for about a month to get this in the mail. I've had my eye on an iMac for a while. I just love their larger monitor display and of course their more powerful OS, which is something that will really help me with some of my creative work. Knowing Apple, they always come out with an upgrade, so I thought I'd wait for an upgrade that really spoke to me. And as soon as they announced that they were releasing the iMacs in these new colors that are pretty nostalgic, right? They look like some of their retro colors that they had back when I was a kid and a teenager. So I knew that this was something that I wanted to get my hands on. So I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys and to finally get started on using this. Now, I ended up going with this orange color. I had originally been thinking about getting the green color, which I thought was really beautiful on the back side, but in the front, I thought that the green was a little bit too minty green. I would have liked it to look a little bit more of like a sage green, which would have been my preference, but I ended up going with the orange, which was also another one of my top choices. And the orange to me just sort of screams Apple. Like, I just think of those old Apple desktops that had the orange hatchbacks on them. And of course, who can forget Elle Woods and her orange laptop? Remember that scene from Legally Blonde when she is coming back after the party and she's in her full Playboy bunny outfit and she's in line to purchase her orange Apple laptop? So I'm having a little bit of an Elle Woods moment, but I just really love the color and I think it'll go really well here in my office. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this unboxing.